Hi everyone, welcome to Merriness. I'm Ashma and in today's video I'll be reviewing you all two products from Roop mantra. One is the Aloe Vera Medicinal Face Wash and the other one is the Cucumber Ayurvedic Medicinal Face Wash. Now both of them are priced at rupees 83 and they are about 115 ml. They come in this tube-like packaging along with their logo here. So let us talk about the ingredients for the aloe vera variant first. It consists of tulsi, it consists of neem, aloe along with sodium methyl, sodium propyl, parabens, colors, perfumes and base, whereas the cucumber variant consists of manjishta and neem, haridra, khira, khusta root and lodra bark and aloe vera. It also consists of pudina leaves along with preservatives such as sodium methyl paraben, sodium propyl paraben, colors and cucumber perfume and a base material. Both of these face washes were manufactured in March 2018 and has a shelf life of 3 years. Talking about the aloe vera variant, it has a dark green like appearance. Here you can see it's very different than the usual and natural transparent aloe vera gel. The fragrance is pleasant though. And talking about the cucumber face wash, well, this one's appearance looks like this and it has a transparent kind of it's more transparent comparatively to the aloe vera variant, and it also has these red color beads which can be used as scrub, and there is added fragrance of the cucumber, so it does feel refreshing. And if you like cucumber fragrance, then you would definitely like the fragrance of this particular face wash. I have tried both of these variants and here is my observation. The cucumber one has a very cooling and refreshing fragrance. However, it is very dry on the skin, and people who have oily skin or combination skin can try it out if they also face acne problems. I did not have any acne when I was using this particular face wash, so I did not find it much of difference, but I did find that my skin was just getting dried off, and I did had marks from my previous pimples. I did have little scars, so it has not helped me at all to get rid of those scars as well. So the claims of this particular face wash for maintaining the moisture and also help to remove blemishes, well, it did not justify for me, and I actually did not like this particular face wash except for its temporary cooling effect on the face and on the skin. It did not do much for me, so that's a sad part, and I did not like this particular face wash. Moving on, the aloe vera face wash. Well, this one, unlike the cucumber variant, did not have any kind of cooling effect on the skin, but it cleansed my face really well without removing the excess moisture from the natural surface of the skin. So overall, I really liked the aloe vera variant because it just made my skin clean and it left it with a pretty glow. So overall, I like the aloe vera variant, and I feel that the cucumber variant is only for people who have oily skin and are also facing acne. They can probably go and try the cucumber variant. I really like the aloe vera variant, and it will suit all skin types, so you don't have to worry about which skin type it will suit. The aloe vera variant will suit all of them. Even if you have acne prone skin, I think you can still go with the aloe vera one. This one also really helps for that. So that's all for today's review. I really hope this video was helpful for you all, and if you like the video, then don't forget to give a big thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I'll see you in my new video. Till then, bye bye, take care, and thank you for watching Merriness.